In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Emerson TV with and without a remote. Without further ado, let's get started. Resetting. With the remote. First, turn on your Emerson TV and press the menu button on the remote. Using the arrow keys, navigate to Settings or System and select Reset to Default or Factory Reset. You might be prompted to enter a PIN. Default is often 0000. Confirm the reset and the TV will restore its factory settings, erasing all personalized configurations. Resetting. Without the remote. If you don't have the remote, you can reset the TV using the physical reset button located on the TV itself. This button is usually found on the back or side of the TV. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. The TV will restart and reset to its factory settings. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.